Good morning student, myself is P. Kirkar, math teacher from Dhan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the probability. In this probability, today we are going to see some examples. See the example number 6. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of an event that the ticket drawn. First condition, that is shows an even numbers. Then second condition is shows a number which is a multiple of 5. Now firstly write down the sample space of this ticket 1 to 15. Now sample space S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now in this way we write down the sample space. These are the elements of the sample space. Number of element in sample space S equal to 15. These are the 15 tickets. Now let A be the event. See the first condition, an even number. Let A be the event that the ticket drawn an even number. So take a even number from this sample space. A equal to in bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are the even numbers which are take from the sample space. Then number of elements in event A equal to 7. Then probability of event A equal to number of A divided by number of S equal to 7 by 15. Then probability of A equal to 7 by 15. Then see the second condition, that is the second event, shows a numbers which is a multiple of 5. Let B be the event that the ticket drawn a number which is a multiple of 5. Then see the multiple 5 elements of this from this sample space. B equal to in bracket 5, 10, 15. These are the multiple of 5. These are elements taken from the sample space. Yes, 5, 10 and 15. Then in event B, the number of elements is 3. The probability of B equal to, that is the probability of event B equal to number of element in B divided by number of element in sample space S, that is the 3 by 15. We get here 1 by 5. The probability of event B is 1 by 5. Then we see again the another example. There are 6 cards in a box, each bearing a numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5. Find the probability of each of the following events that the cards drawn shows. First event is a natural number. Then second event is a number less than 1. Third event is a whole number. And fourth event is a number is greater than 5. Then write down the sample space using this 0 to 5. In a sample space S equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 6 cards. These are the numbers written on this card. In a sample space, these are the 6 elements. The number of S equal to 6. Let A be the event a natural number. First condition, a natural number, that is the event A. Then in A write down the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural number. Then write down in event A, these are the 5 elements. Number of elements in event A equal to 5, then probability of A equal to number of elements in A divided by number of elements in S, 5 by 6. We get here probability of event A is 5 by 6. Then see the second event, that is the number less than 1. Let B be the event a number less than 1. See the number which is less than 1 in the sample space is 0. Then write down in event B equal to in bracket 0. The number of element in event B equal to 1. Then probability of event B equal to number of element in event B divided by number of element in sample space S, that is the 1 by 6. See the third event, whole numbers. Let C be the event a whole number. Now take a whole number from the sample space. These are the total are whole number. Write down here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way the number of elements in event C is 6. So this event C and sample space both are the same. Then probability of event C equal to number of element in event C divided by number of element in sample space S, that is 6 divided by 6 is 1. Probability of event C is 1. Then see the fourth condition, number is greater than 5. Let D be the event a number is greater than 5. Then write down the number greater than 5. We see in this sample space there is no number elements which is greater than 5. So in event D write down empty set. In this set the element is not present, so number of element in D is 0. Let D be the event a number is greater than 5, so D equal to in bracket no element, so number of D means number of element in event D is 0. Then probability of D equal to number of element in event D divided by number of element in sample space S, 0 by 6, which is equal to again 0. If we divide any number to 0, we get again 0. The probability of event D is 0. In this way we solve the examples. Good day, goodbye, okay.